Hello, educators. I'm Miss Brown, and I'm part of the Auntie Karen team. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the story Miles, He Barks at Everything from Auntie Karen's Place YouTube channel to support social-emotional learning in your classroom. Before you press play, tell your students, we're going to watch a story about big reactions and big feelings. Ask them to think about a time they felt overwhelmed, scared, or overly excited. This helps students make an emotional connection before the story begins. As you watch, pause the video once or twice and ask, why do you think Miles is barking right now? How do you think Miles is feeling inside his body? These questions help students understand that behavior is connected to feelings. After the story, guide a short discussion by asking, what was bothering Miles? Did barking solve his problem? What could Miles do instead next time? This helps students reflect on emotional regulation and problem solving. This story supports important social-emotional learning skills, including identifying emotions, understanding triggers, practicing self-control, and building empathy. You can extend this lesson by having students draw Miles when he feels calm, practice deep breathing together, or role-play better choices Miles could make. Stories on Auntie Karen's Place YouTube channel open the door, but meaningful social-emotional learning happens when we pause, talk, and practice together. I'm Miss Brown, part of the Auntie Karen team. Thank you for supporting whole child learning. If this video was helpful, please share it with another educator. Be sure to like and subscribe to Auntie Karen's Place. We'll see you next week.